Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepard Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, May 6, 2021. It is Think About It Thursday. This is Teacher Appreciation Week, so here's a quote about that. The best teachers are those who show you where to look but don't tell you what to see. Okay, something to think about. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast we have yogurt and cinnamon roll minis, and for lunch we have corn dog. Tomorrow for breakfast we have sausage pancake on a stick, and for lunch we have a turkey deli sub. Birthdays today are Carter Kinney and Ava Murphy. Happy birthday. Announcements. Teachers, make sure that you keep the envelope circulating and return it to the library or to Miss Gibbs at the end of the day today. Teachers, make sure that the envelope comes back to Miss Gibbs or to the library at the end of the day today. Today's duty is Miss Peralta, and tomorrow will be Miss Moore. Important dates. We are working on our iReady diagnostic this week. We have people taking the diagnostic in the computer lab. And some people are working on it in the collab lab. We have a lot going on. It is also still Teacher Appreciation Week. Today is also a special day. It is Nurse Appreciation Day. May 10th, we have a faculty meeting. May 25th, we have fifth grade transition programs at 9 and 10 a.m. May 25th, we have our end of the year celebrations. May 26th is the last day for students. And May 28th is the last day for teachers. Today we would like to celebrate a very happy School Nurse Appreciation Day to our very own Nurse Eaton. She keeps us rocking and rolling around the school, keeps everyone well and taken care of. She gives out Band-Aids and helps everybody feel better and does lots of great things for all of us. Make sure everybody is feeling healthy. So please show your appreciation to Nurse Eaton today and any other day. But today is a special day. We will celebrate her. And that's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepard.